Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hello and welcome to the new topic of economics. And the topic is elasticity of demand. In the last video lecture, we discussed about change in demand, change in quantity demand, and determinants. Now let's move towards the important concept of economics, that is the elasticity of demand. Students are usually or often confused about the concept of elasticity of demand. Let's have brief discussion on what elasticity of demand explains. According to law of demand, as price increases, quantity demand decreases, and as price decreases, quantity demand increases. Thus exists an inverse relationship between price and quantity demand. Law of demand simply explains the general phenomena of increasing price and decreasing quantity demand. Let's say price increases from 100 to 200, quantity demand decreases from 1000 to 500 units. It's a general phenomena that as price increases, quantity demand decreases. Now, what elasticity of demand explains? If we want to find out how much percentage change in price causes percentage change in quantity demand, the price increases from 100 to 200, and how much percentage increase in price and how much percentage change in quantity demand takes place. To find out the percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price, we use the concept of elasticity of demand. Now, what elasticity of demand says? Percentage change in quantity demand with respect to percentage change in price. It simply means that when there is a percentage change in price, it will cause the percentage change in quantity demand. Or elasticity of demand is the degree of responsiveness of quantity demand to change in price. When price changes, how much demand change? So that degree of responsiveness shows the elasticity of demand. Thus, elasticity of demand shows the degree of responsiveness of change in price. Now, the formula of finding the elasticity of demand is percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. When there is a percentage change in price, demand will automatically respond to change in price, and there will exist a percentage change in quantity demand due to price. We divide both percentage changes, we get the value of what we call ED, elasticity of demand. The second formula will be del Q over del P multiplied by P1 over Q1, initial price and initial quantity. In short, elasticity of demand explains the responsiveness of quantity demand. How much quantity demand responses due to percentage change in price. Let's calculate the elasticity of demand from both formulas. We have a general schedule of increase in price and decrease in quantity demand. Put them what we call different variables like P1 and P2. And that's Q1 and Q2. Initial price P1, final price P2. Change in price, delta P is equal to P2 minus P1, that is 100. Initial quantity 1000, final quantity 500. Delta Q means change in quantity, Q2 minus Q1, 500 minus 1000 minus 500. Here we ignore the minus value. So let's put the formula of elasticity of demand, that is delta Q over delta P multiplied by P1 over Q1. Delta Q, that is simply 500, delta P 100, P1 100, Q1 1000. Cancel 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means 0.5. So 0.5 is the elasticity of demand, which is usually known as inelastic demand. We'll discuss what is inelastic demand in other videos. Elasticity of demand is less than 1. We can also calculate the elasticity of demand from that formula, that is percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. You want two different things. One is percentage change in quantity demand. Percentage change in QD, that is delta Q over Q1 multiplied by 100. And for percentage change in price, delta P over P1 multiplied by 100. Put the value and get the answer. 500 over 1000 multiplied by 100, 1 over 2, 50% change in quantity demand. What about price? Del P 100, P1 100 multiplied by 100, cancel out, 100% change in price. 100% change in quantity demand, 100% change in price causes 50% change in quantity demand, 0.5. Again, same answer that we obtained from short formula, and the elasticity of demand is inelastic. Inelastic simply less than 1. It means the degree of responsiveness of quantity demand is less than the change in price. We can see that 100% change in price causes 50% change in quantity demand. It means that demand is less responsive to change in price. 50%, 100%, 0.5, which shows that the elasticity of demand is inelastic. In short, when we talk about the percentage change in quantity demand due to percentage change in price, that phenomena is known as elasticity of demand, and we want to measure the degree of responsiveness of quantity demand due to change in price. When there is a change in price in the market, how much demand response, and to calculate that degree of responsiveness, we use the concept of elasticity of demand. Then we have formula percentage change in quantity demand divided by percentage change in price. Then we have del Q over del P multiplied by P1 and Q1. Then we calculate elasticity of demand from both formulas. और उम्मीद है hope you will understand the concept of elasticity of demand. Inshallah, in the next video we will discuss different degrees like inelastic, elastic और highly elastic demand. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.